Hello and welcome, my dear students, to my channel Mathematics Made Easy. Today's video is a very short video on complex numbers. Today is day 5 of 10 days of EMSAT and the problem is taken as under. So I to the power 37. You just have to simplify, or when I say simplify, I mean find the value. So find the value of I to the power 37. This number 37 is given to you. I hope you all remember is iota. You say it as iota and its value is square root of -1, or I square is 1, right? So now we are going to use the concept that the period of I is 4. So when I say period of I is 4, that means after power 4 it will repeat itself. So I to the power 1 you all know is I, which is equal to square root of -1. I to the power 2 is I square, which is square root of -1 whole square. So it is going to be -1. Sorry, I have to just put a negative here. So I square is -1. I cube is I square multiplied with I. You can write like that. So I square is this. So minus I to the power 4 is I square whole square. So if you see, it is -1 whole square equal to 1. Now, when I say period is 4, means after I to the power 4, it will start repeating itself. So if you see, I to the power 5 is nothing but I to the power 4 multiplied with I. So it is going to give you the same value I. So now I is repeated. So that's why I say period is 4. So this 37 number, how can I write in terms of the period? I can write it as 4 multiplied with 9 plus 1. Correct? So I to the power 37 can be written as I to the power 4 multiplied with 9. This is one factor. Now why I write like this? Because this is 36 and 36 we are trying to divide by 4, right? So 9 fours are 36. So that's why. So this plus 1. There's a power 1. So I to the power 36 would become what? It will become the same value as I to the power 4, which is 1. Okay, so this is not going to be giving you anything, and I to the power 1 is going to just give you I. So this whole thing, because the period is 4 and you are raising 4 to the power 9, same as this. So this is 1 to the power 9, which is going to give you 1 only. So this is 1 multiplied with I. So the answer is I. So 1, 2, 3, 4, A is the answer. So what concept did we use? We used the concept that the period of I is 4. After 4 it will repeat itself. So whatever is the number given to you, divide it by 4 and you will get your answer. Let me give you one more problem here. I to the power 56. What is the value? Find. So what you are going to do, you will divide by 4. So divide 56 by 4. So 1 4s are 4. 16 is left, 14. So it's a perfect value. Means I can write 4 to the power. If you see here, it is a perfect value. So I can write 4 multiplied with 14. So this is I to the power 4, which is how much? 1. So I to the power 1 is 1 and to the power 14. So 1 raised to a number, any power is 1. So the answer is 1 here. Similarly, you can try any other number, and the concept that you have to use is just to divide by 4, because 4 is the period. So that's your answer for this question. If you found the question useful and the video helpful in your learning of EMSAT exam in your preparation, do consider subscribing, as it motivates me to make more and more EMSAT videos for you. Until then, this is Ms. Ruchika signing off from today's session. See you in my next video. Bye, students.